DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua has continued to press the operation sweep on political leaders from the Mount Kenya region supporting President William Ruto's administration. While on a public participation and consultation rally in Nanyuki, Laikipia County, Gachagua's brigade also continued with its blistering attacks on Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen following his recent remarks warning civilians on guarding votes come next year. Our reporter Amelia Kisenya with more.
The DCP party landed in Nanyuki in Nyandarua County, spreading calls of Operation Sweep on leaders from the Mount Kenya region who are still aligned to President William Ruto's administration. Among those marked for the operation was Laikipia East Member of Parliament Mwangi Kiunjuri, whose backyard has been invaded by the DCP Green Army.
Huyu msaliti wa Laikipia Mwangi Kiunjuri alikuwa anasema ati nisifike Nanyuki. Hapa ni kwake.
According to Gachagua, the publicly labeled regional MPs, local politicians and cabinet members supporting the ruling government are traitors and enemies of Mount Kenya.
Wakati ya Gen Z alienda akamwambia Kasongo ati Wakikuyu 20,000 ati ndio walikuwa wamekuja Nairobi kupindua serikali yake. Mimi nikamuuliza Mwangi Kiunjuri, kwani hao Wakikuyu wako na alama? Uliujua ni Wakikuyu namna gani? Alitaka Kasongo aue Wakikuyu. Wewe Mwangi Kiunjuri, damu ya Gen Z iko mkononi mwako.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen continued to be under fire during the rally following his recent remarks accusing Gachagua of inciting the youth and preparing illegal groups under the guise of guarding votes at the ballot.
August, atilini, tutarusha kura na kufukuza Kasongo na pia tutazilinda.
Wapo ya kundishinda ukitisha watu. Ukitisha kiongozi yetu. Kama unataka mtu ya kutisha, tisha bibi yako.
Earlier on at his Wamunyoro residence in Nyeri County, while hosting political aspirants for Muranga, Gachagua also made sensational claims against President William Ruto, alleging that the president has acquired British banknote printing firm De La Rue to print money for the 2027 general election.
The governor of Central Bank, Mauthuge, to be very careful and to be steadfast and not to allow currency notes to be diverted.
President William Ruto's government and De La Rue company are yet to react to the claims. Amelia Kisenya, KTN.